photographer and videographer in Petersburg, Virginia, and this video is neither a unboxing or a review. It's more or less a testimony. For the last several months, I've been looking for any kind of device that will help me stabilize my shots, and I've been looking all across the internet. I bought a few products that didn't work out, had to send some back. It's all because of a physical condition I have with my hips that disable me from walking in a steady motion. So I really do need a stabilizer to help me to get the shots that I want. And I just kept searching and searching and searching until I found this. And I guess everyone should be kind of familiar with it. It's the DJI Osmos, and the one word I can think about right now is remarkable. If you've been thinking about getting one and you've been on the borderline because of the price, or just a little skeptical of new science or new hardware, don't look any further. Get it. It's worth it. This thing is truly amazing. It just blown me away. I've had it for about a week and I'm still practicing with it, and I just can't believe the shots that I'm able to get even with my disability. And I'm planning on getting the Z-axis, which from what I've been hearing, they should take my shots even to another level. So I'm very happy with this, and I'm glad I made that purchase. But there was one thing that was a problem with it, and everybody probably knows by now. It's the sound quality. I don't know what the engineers were thinking, but that mono microphone that's inside of this beautiful machine, it's not adequate. So you have to devise some type of external microphone if you really want some good sound. And I've been hearing about that small mini Rhodes microphone, and I said maybe I should go on out and just get that, and because I've been hearing a lot of good reviews. But I do a lot of music concerts in my area, and a lot of my equipment is geared toward recording the music with the video. So I thought maybe I'll have a microphone that just might fit my needs. And I did. And you've probably heard of this ingenious device. It's the Zoom H2n, and it works beautifully. It's by itself it's a beautiful machine, and the quality is excellent, and it works very well with the DJI Osmos. The quick release mount that they supply, it's a perfect fit for it. But on top of that, the Zoom people recently came out with a firmware update to the Zoom H2n, which is called which enables it to have spatial audio. Now, you're wondering what spatial audio is. Spatial audio is simply 360-degree surround sound, true surround sound. And the Zoom H2n is now geared to do that. It has something to do with virtual reality that's really exploding all over, and I guess the people at Zoom didn't want to get left out, because the machine, the recorder that they had right here, was already set for it. So it just needed a firmware update, and the sound quality is beautiful. Right at the end of this, in a few moments, I'm going to play a few sound samples for you so you can hear how this Zoom and the H2n, the Zoom and the Osmos work together. It's just almost flawless professional sound. It's exactly what I've been looking for, and I think I got a good match here. So if you were thinking about getting the Osmos, don't think anymore. Go ahead and get it. You won't be disappointed. Like anything else, there's, you know, your pros and your cons. But I believe the pros outweigh the cons with this beautiful device. So in a few moments, you're going to hear the sound samples, and if I helped you out a little bit with this quick video, I hope I did. You know, like I said, it's not a unboxing, it's not a review. I'm not trying to get too technical. I'm just saying that this product is worth it, and the Zoom, which already has a name for itself, combined with the Osmos, is a wonderful match. So here's your sound samples. I hope you enjoy.
Wait. Went the wrong way, I told you. Well, go back this way and come down there, yeah? Go ahead then. Go ahead. Wait.
Almost. Come on. I'm on the end. Ooh, you do it anyway.
You gonna slide back?
You put your heart in.
You wanna try to call?
Yes, it is.
Hey, Carly.
She's cute.
Bad call.
Woof woof. Woof woof.
Dude, bad call.
Woof woof.
Bad call.
Yeah, that's Gus. His name is Gus.
Woof woof.
Say hello, Gus.
You wave.
Yeah. Say hello. There you go. She He loves it. He's 9 years old.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
9 years old. Won't get no bigger. He loves kids though.
I got a 3-year-old pit.
Oh, yeah. You probably think he'd be a meal, huh?
No, but she don't run. She goes small.
Oh, okay.
See, doggy?
Kayla.
Okay. All right. You know, he getting a lot of love. No, he don't. He won't bite. Be nice though.
Slide on down.
Okay.
Get on that one.
Vamos, Kayla.
Slide him and slide on. You can go.
Yeah.
You pet doggy?
But anyway, go on this side, man. Go. And slide on down. Go on. Ooh, go, man.